Now we will see array sum method. Here name of the method is sum itself. So it takes an array and returns single true if for any of the record it is satisfying that condition. So we have been given an array with some records. Now I want to see, is there any of the student whose ID is greater than 3 or not? So for that I will use the array sum method. So it will return single truth statement by analyzing the whole record. If for any of the record that condition is satisfying, it will return true. If not, it will return false. So here we are writing where is there any student, then we are passing the students array to the sum method. And then we are saying student not ID is lesser than or equal to 3. That means is there any student whose ID is lesser than or equal to 3? So yes. So it will return true. Exactly opposite of the array sum method, we have array every method. So in array every method, it takes an array and returns single false value if for any of the record it is not satisfying the condition. So here the same array has been given to us. Now if we are writing student.id lesser than or equal to 3. So it will check, is there each and every student whose ID is greater than or equal to 3 or not? So no, actually two IDs are lesser than 3, so it will return false. So for array every method, it should all the records should satisfy that condition. But for array sum method, only one of the record if satisfying the condition, then it's true. Now we will see this example in our VS Code. So we will see where is there any, we will put student, is there any student, then we will pass students array to it, and then we will write sum method first. Here we are using arrow function. Okay, here we will pass std, or it can be anything, not a big deal. Now I will write here return std dot id lesser than or equal to 3. Then I will do console dot log, then is there any student. So if for any of the single record, if it is satisfying the condition, it will return true. Let's see it here. Yes, it is returning true. On the other hand, for each and every record should satisfy that condition, then only it will be true. Okay, it's not very, it is returning false. So this way the array sum or every method works in array JavaScript methods. So stay tuned for the next video tutorial. There we will see array includes method. Thank you very much for